Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we take you inside the all-new 2025 Kenworth T2700 Motorhome, one of the most exciting and luxurious heavy-duty RVs of the year. Designed for travelers who crave freedom, performance, and home-like comfort on the road. The T2700 redefines what a luxury motorhome should be. Let's dive into why this beast is making waves in the motorhome world. From the outside, the 2025 Kenworth T2700 is a true road king. It has a bold, aerodynamic design with a redesigned grille, aggressive LED headlamps, and a massive windshield that gives it a commanding presence on highways. The chrome accents, sharp lines, and flawless paintwork scream premium, while the side slide-outs expand the interior space when parked, making this RV perfect for long road trips or even full-time living. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome is rugged enough to conquer any terrain, yet stylish enough to turn heads at every stop. Under the hood, the T2700 is powered by a powerful PACCAR MX-13 engine that delivers smooth yet robust performance. With up to 510 horsepower and incredible torque, this motorhome doesn't just cruise, it glides. It's paired with a 12-speed, automated transmission that shifts seamlessly, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're climbing steep hills or gliding down the open interstate. Fuel efficiency has also improved, thanks to better aerodynamics and engine tuning, making this a surprisingly economical choice for such a heavy-duty motorhome. But the real magic starts when you step inside. The 2025 T2700's interior is nothing short of a mobile, luxury suite. The cabin features premium leather captain seats with massage functions, ambient lighting, and real wood trim across the dash and cabinetry. As you move into the living area, you're greeted by an open-concept layout with a large L-shaped sofa, a hidden smart TV, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Everything is touch-controlled via a central smart panel, including lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even security. The kitchen rivals that of high-end apartments. It includes a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and even a dishwasher. Marble countertops and high-gloss cabinetry complete the upscale feel. Storage is abundant, cleverly tucked into every nook and cranny to maximize space. The T2700 also boasts a private bedroom with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, reading lights, and built-in nightstands. Opposite the bed, a 50-inch smart TV sits above a fireplace that actually provides warmth, not just ambiance. Adjacent to the bedroom is a luxurious bathroom suite with a full-size shower, backlit mirror, and a ceramic toilet. The quality here rivals that of five-star hotel bathrooms. But this motorhome is more than just looks and comfort. It's built for the digital age. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, satellite TV, solar power integration, and even remote diagnostic systems, the T2700 is fully equipped for off-grid, adventures, or remote work lifestyles. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging pads, and voice-controlled systems add to the convenience on the road. The 2025 Kenworth T2700 offers a quiet, smooth ride. Advanced suspension systems absorb the bumps, while acoustic insulation keeps the noise out. Drivers will appreciate the digital instrument cluster, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, and the 360-degree camera system that makes parking this giant surprisingly easy. Safety has also been given a major upgrade. It includes lane keeping assist, collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, making it one of the safest RVs in its class. You and your family can truly travel with peace of mind. In terms of pricing, the T2700 doesn't come cheap, but it delivers unmatched value for what you get. Starting around $550,000, it's an investment in luxury travel, freedom, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're planning to explore national parks, cross-country highways, or simply live full-time on the road, the T2700 provides everything you could ever need: comfort, power, and style. So, If you're dreaming of your next big adventure or want to take your RV lifestyle to the next level, the 2025 Kenworth T2700 is a serious contender. It's a combination of rugged truck DNA with ultra-modern motorhome design. From technology to luxury, performance to practicality, this model checks every box. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in automotive innovation. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Kenworth T2700. Could this be your future home on wheels? Let the road be your home. And until next time, drive safe and stay curious with Honest Auto Wheels.